In this video, I will show you how to fix and resolve thumbnail not showing pictures in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. And guys, same method will work in Windows 11. So open File Explorer, three dot options, and View. And unselect this setting. Always show icons, never thumbnails. So unselect this setting, then click on Apply, then click on OK. So it's a first method. Second method, click on Start and type here adjust the appearance and performance of window. So find out this setting and here select this setting, show thumbnails instead of icons in case it's unselected. So check this box, show thumbnails, click on OK. Third method, click on Start and search Control Panel. Open Control Panel, select View by category, System and Security, System, Advanced System Setting, and here Settings. So you will find this same dialog box and check this show thumbnails instead of icons. So apply and then click on OK. So these are methods guys you can try to resolve this problem. Thanks for watching and comment this method work for you or not.